It leaves us with this base unit, and it comes with this little circular ring. Now this is really useful. All we need to do is attach this ring into here, tighten it up, and then look how we attach your Dremel multi-tool onto there. Stick the little plastic nut on the end of here. We can tighten this up with the supplied spanner. With your Dremel firmly attached, you can then use sanding, grinding, polishing, whatever tools you have to work on your piece, holding the piece instead of the Dremel, which sometimes is a massive benefit. And obviously with that ball and socket joint, that's all still movable to wherever you find is useful.